I was just trying to solve the HackerRank problems, and yesterday actually I was doing is I was giving some interviews, and there were some test cases where it failed to succeed because of the time complexity. So I got error for some of the test cases that I was out of time. So what I was doing today is just trying to see if if there are some languages where the same logic can pass um, more test cases. So the first language I was trying was Python. Okay, so very first I need to tell you that HackerRank has certain amount of time specified for each language. Is like Python has an execution time limit for 10 seconds, whereas the C language has execution time of 1 second only, and the C sharp language has about 3 seconds, and Java has 4 seconds, and Node.js also has 10 seconds, and so on so thing. And yeah, you can just go through the environment page of the HackerRank thing, and you can see the execution time limit for every languages. Okay, so here was a problem that I was need to sort the given array, and I need to print the minimum number of swaps I have taken to sort this array. So this is the code. I don't know whether it is an optimized one or not, but yeah, it is working for some of the test cases, and some of the test cases are failing due to the time error. So let's learn. So let's learn in the Python one first. I'm just submitting the code. So it seems the test case is till 7 passed very quickly, and then it passed the test case 8. Now it's taking time. Okay. So now the test case 9 onwards failed due to time limit exit error. Okay, so there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 test cases were failed. So now let's jump to C sharp, where I just wrote the same logic. I just wrote the same logic with C sharp, and let's see how many test cases are being passed. Okay, so I see there. Okay, same as Python. There are 6 test cases which got the time limit exceeded error. Okay, now let's try with C itself. I just wrote the same logic in C. Let's see what happened. By the way, the C only has 1 second execution limit. Okay, same for the C. We only we're only able to pass, you know, we are only able to pass 8 test cases, and 9 onwards it is failed. Now what I tried is Java 8. Let's run the Java 8 version. Okay. Wow. Actually, what we can see here that one more test case is one more test case is passed with Java. And as far as I know, the Java has 4 second execution limit. And here I can see we have the test case 9 passed. Nice, actually, very nice. I don't know what I saw before making this video is with JavaScript. The same logic written in JavaScript. I have no print statement, anything. Now let's run this code. Actually, nice. Actually, the Node.js variant of JavaScript in HackerRank has the execution limit of 10 seconds. Therefore, you know, the same logic with JavaScript actually cleared all the test cases, even if my code had some, pretty bad logic, so it was very inefficient. Yet JavaScript was able to pass all the test cases. Even the C failed, C sharp failed, Python failed, Java failed to pass all the test cases, but Node.js version of the HackerRank, sorry, the HackerRank, in HackerRank, the Node.js variant of the code is able to pass all the test cases. So that's it for now. I think for now I will be using JavaScript for giving my coding interviews here. So there is a high chance to pass the test cases if those test cases are failing due to time limit exceeded error. Thank you very much for watching.